What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to challenge my nephews and my sister-in-law. I'm gonna challenge them words in English, and they're supposed to translate them in Kirundi. How good are they? For context, none of these speak Kirundi, but they do live with people who speak Kirundi. I think he wanna say something. So we're gonna start with the first word, and if you know it, you just blur it out. I'll ask about 20 words. I think that's fair. 20 words. Whoever blurs it out first gets a point. After 20 words, we'll count and see who won the game. Y'all ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
Ready?
You think what? Really?
Oh, really?
He said she will get more. Okay, first and foremost, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Sophia.
Uh-huh.
Hi, I'm Emric.
Hi, I'm Harvey.
Okay, perfect. So let's get started, guys. We got 20 words, and they're pretty easy, guys. So first and foremost, can you tell me what inzu is? Inzu.
You.
It's a housefly.
What?
A housefly.
She was close. She was close. Anybody want to guess? Ever got it.
Oh, inzu. Oh.
Inzu is a house.
Oh,
Yeah. Emric got it. Come on. Next one. Inhabit.
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 Yeah. Don't think too hard, guys. Can they get this right? Inhabit. Come on.
Okay, inhabit.
Inhabit. Inhabit.
To get something that's
It's
close.
not looking good, guys.
Um,
Can we just get to the next word?
So
chair.
nobody got. She got it. Wait, did you help her? Are you sure?
Even paying attention.
She got it. Inhabit. She got it.
Chair.
It's a chair. Okay. Next one. Ichupa.
a bottle.
Yeah. She got two. Come on, guys. What's happening?
That's why I said she'll make me win.
But you guys lived with your dad. He speak Kirundi. Are you kidding me? Next word. So she got 2, 1, 0. Come on, Harvey. Let's go. Umuryango.
That's hard.
A dog.
No.
Yeah.
Umuryango. So it kind of sounds the same, but that's not the word I'm talking about. But the accent, the way I said it, is changed. It changes the meaning.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
Okay.
Anybody? Umuryango.
Door?
No, she just said that.
Shoe?
No, don't think too hard, guys. No.
Plate? No. Place? Everything?
A sitting room.
No.
A sofa.
No.
Couch?
Okay, I want me to tell you.
Carpet.
No.
Okay, say it.
Family.
Oh.
Ah! Okay, next one. Let's go to
Let me take the video.
Isahani.
A plate.
She got it. Guys, are you kidding me? What's going on?
It's for the last one, right? And I didn't think to say it again.
Cause some words the way you say they say that it's Swahili.
It sounds, guys, so she speaks Swahili and she just said some of the words sound like Swahili. Okay, let me do easy ones because these ones that they gave, they're kind of hard. So let's do easy ones. Amata.
Milk.
Good job.
How?
He got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He got it. Okay. Good job.
He didn't say loud though. You
Let's-
need help.
yeah, try to say it loud, but that was good. So 3, 1, 1. Okay, next one. Isaha.
Watch.
Okay, she got it.
How?
Okay. Izuru.
Water?
No.
Oh.
Izuru.
Table?
Izuru.
Eyes.
No.
Camera?
No. I just gave y'all a big hint.
Look.
Izuru.
Look.
Look. Eyes.
No. Huh?
Lens.
No.
Eyes?
Izuru.
Camera?
No.
Face.
You're kind of close.
Face?
Head.
You're almost there. Izuru.
Eyelashes.
Zoo.
Nose.
Eyeballs?
He got it. I was literally doing this. Izuru.
Face.
Yeah, you are in last place. Next one, let's do Izuba.
Eyes.
Mouth.
Izuba.
Face.
Mouth.
Nope. It's on the outside.
Oh, the sun.
The sun.
That
Okay.
kind of sounds the same as nose.
Well, yeah, I know. That's why I did that.
Nose?
Izuru. Izuba.
Oh, the sun.
The sun.
Sure.
Now, Imodoka.
Car.
He got it.
Ow.
Yeah.
It says immortal car. Immortal car.
Yeah. Let's go. Imbwa.
Dog.
She got it. Umwana.
Actually, I'll let you guys check that word because every day your grandma says that word.
Umwana.
Volume?
Come on, guys. Umwana.
Harvey.
She says it all the time.
A baby.
Yeah, it's a baby. She got. How many do you have?
5, I think.
And then you?
1,
And you?
I think I have 3.
3.
So 10 more words, guys. Umupira. This can have 2 meanings. Umupira. Huh? What?
More choices.
It
can have 2 meanings. No, that makes it easier for you.
Actually, it's really
You
easy.
can say whatever and it will be good.
Say
Right?
Table?
No.
Glasses?
Umupira. You like doing it.
You like doing it.
Dancing?
No.
Do you like dancing?
Sometimes.
What else do you like to do?
When you're outside.
Soccer.
Yeah. And it can
Ball.
and the ball. Yeah, and it can also mean a shirt.
Oh, a shirt is also good.
Yeah. Okay. So far, you didn't get it right. She got it right again. 3.
Clothes.
Maybe. Okay.
I mean, maybe.
Ikaramu.
Oh, you know.
Ikaramu.
Look.
Kalam. Oh, I mean a pen.
She got it. Guys, come on. This is not fun because they don't know. These are the easy words.
Because I always tell guys, you need to learn Swahili. When you know Swahili, it's easy to speak other languages. Because Swahili is bad too.
Umucheri.
Your
Cherry?
grandma says that every
Yeah,
time.
umucheri.
Because you should get that one.
Yeah. Umucheri.
I'm listening to conversation.
No, even when you go there to
Bro,
grandma
are you-
hungry, she'll tell you.
Rice?
Yes. You got it.
I'm at 2.
Okay, good job. Good job. Now, let's do inyama.
Yeah.
No? It's also a food that your dad likes a lot.
Brains?
No? Try again.
Yeah.
So close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He got it. Inyama. Okay. Let's go to Itara. Itara.
Powder?
No.
Light.
Yeah, she got it.
I heard tie. So like, I didn't have.
Amaso. Amaso.
What about so? I thought it was so, but it's not so.
Amaso.
I'm
Yeah.
He's at 3.
Okay.
Second.
Amatwi.
I've heard that word.
Amatwi.
Mouth? Ears?
Ears.
Yes, I'm not full.
Alright, this is good.
That's hard.
Alright. This is good. Okay. Let's go to Imuzu.
Hair.
No. Try again. Imuzu.
Neck?
Nope. Imuzu. No. Fridge is actually kind of similar to like the English word, but I won't say that one because it's gonna be too easy. Imuzu.
Chair.
Imuzu.
I'm just looking around the house.
We all have it. Everybody has it.
Hair.
I already
No.
said that.
We all have it, guys. Come on. Huh?
Heart.
What?
No.
Legs.
No.
Feet?
Imuzu.
Brain.
No. Okay, I give up.
Teeth.
No. Imuzu. We all have it. Everybody has it. I'll have it. He has it. The baby has it. He has it.
Okay.
You
that's-
all have it. Imuzu.
A mouth.
No.
Skin.
Shirt.
He's kind of close.
Pants.
You're close too.
Clothes?
Close.
Oh.
Ah! Okay. How many have we done? Do you all know?
10.
I got 5. He's at 3.
So let's do 2 more. Yeah, let's do 2 more. Let me try to make this one a little hard.
Hard nose. Okay. It's,
Okay.
oh yeah, if you're getting farther, then it's gonna be hard.
Ukwezi. That one is hard. Ukwezi. But it's something similar to something we've already done before.
Pants?
Nope.
Shirt.
Nope.
Similar with
Skin.
I've done before.
Yeah, something you guys have already said. You said it. I think it's that's the only hint I'll give you. But it's
So,
Can you say the word again?
ukwezi.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
so that was
Ukwezi. That, no.
Teeth.
eyes.
No.
Fair.
It's outside.
Tree.
Grass.
Nope.
Sky.
Clouds.
Kinda close.
Clouds.
Then getting there. Hot. It's getting close. Ukwezi.
Air.
You're close.
Wind.
Clouds, wind, sky,
You're
I'm
close.
close. It's
Stars.
You're close.
It's
Moon.
close.
Moon.
It's close to sun. It was close to sun.
With the sun, yeah. That's
How can you get ukwezi when you mwezi?
yeah, mwezi, right? Isn't that Swahili?
That's like a Bantu language.
Okay.
So it's
La-
the opposite of sun.
No, it's not the opposite, but it's kind of close. It's similar. Okay, next one. Amasogisi.
Sauce.
She got it. Alright guys, that was the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. She won. So,
I was like,
Amasogi say it's not Kirundi though.
bro, that's what it says on here. Well, how
It
you
should be Amashesheki.
I'm a shit.
Oh, really? Well,
But people use Amasogi.
they use Amasogis. It says it on here. Yeah, Amasogis. Anyways, like the video, share the video, tell us who won. Even though she won, did she do a good job or she cheated because she knows Swahili? I think Emmerich won this game, guys.
No, it's me who won.
Yeah, but you know
Had
Swahili.
an unfair me.
Yeah, she had an unfair advantage. That's what I mean.
Okay, so Emmerich won.
I think Emmerich won. Emmerich, you want to say something to the camera? Come on here and say something.
Like
I-
and subscribe.
As the winner, come to the camera.
Like and subscribe.
All right, you heard him. Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Good job.
Peace.